Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about what is car insurance. A comprehensive guide to the best car insurance in the USA for 2023. Introduction to car insurance. Car insurance is a crucial financial product that provides protection to vehicle owners against financial losses resulting from accidents, theft, or other unforeseen events involving their vehicles. It acts as a safety net, ensuring that individuals do not bear the full financial burden of repair costs, medical expenses, and legal liabilities in the event of an accident. Why car insurance matters. In the United States, car insurance is not just a luxury but a legal requirement in most states. Each state has its own minimum coverage requirements that drivers must meet to legally operate a vehicle. The primary purpose of car insurance is to ensure that all parties involved in an accident are fairly compensated for their losses and medical expenses. Without insurance, individuals would be personally liable for these costs, which can often be substantial. Components of car insurance. Car insurance policies typically consist of several components, each serving a specific purpose. Liability coverage. This is the foundation of most car insurance policies. Liability coverage pays for bodily injury and property damage that the policyholder is legally responsible for due to an accident. It includes two parts: bodily injury liability and property damage liability. Collision coverage. This component covers the cost of repairing or replacing the policyholder's vehicle after a collision, regardless of who was at fault. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive insurance covers damage to the policyholder's vehicle caused by non-collision incidents, such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and hitting an animal. Personal injury protection, PIP/medical payments. PIP covers medical expenses for the policyholder and their passengers, regardless of fault. Medical payments coverage is similar but covers only medical expenses and is not as comprehensive as PIP. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. This coverage protects the policyholder if they are involved in an accident with a driver who either has no insurance or insufficient insurance to cover the damages. Finding the best car insurance in the USA for 2023. Selecting the best car insurance policy involves considering several factors to ensure that you have adequate coverage and affordable premiums. Here are the steps to guide you through the process. Assess your needs. Determine the level of coverage you need based on your vehicle's value, your driving habits, and your financial situation. Shop around. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Compare multiple insurance providers to find the best rates and coverage options. Online comparison tools and insurance brokerages can help streamline this process. Check for discounts. Many insurers offer discounts for various factors such as safe driving history, multiple policies, bundling home and auto insurance, anti-theft devices, good student discounts, and more. Review deductibles. A deductible is the amount you'll need to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. A higher deductible can lower your premium, but be sure you can afford the deductible in case of an accident. Read reviews. Look into the customer service reputation of the insurance companies you're considering. Reviews from current and past policyholders can give you insights into the company's reliability and claims process. Check financial strength. Choose an insurance company with strong financial stability. Independent rating agencies like AM Best provide ratings that reflect an insurer's ability to pay claims. Customize coverage. Tailor your policy to your specific needs. If you have an older car, for instance, you might opt out of comprehensive coverage if the premium cost exceeds the car's value. Consider usage-based insurance. Some insurers offer usage-based insurance where your premium is based on your actual driving habits. This can be advantageous for safe drivers. Review annually. Your circumstances and needs may change over time. Regularly review your policy to ensure it still meets your requirements. Car insurance trends in 2023. The car insurance landscape continues to evolve in 2023, with several trends shaping the industry. Digital transformation. Insurers are increasingly embracing digital tools and platforms to streamline the customer experience, from obtaining quotes online to filing claims through mobile apps. Telematics and IoT integration. Telematics devices and IoT, Internet of Things, technology are being utilized to gather data on driving habits, which can result in personalized pricing based on individual driving behavior. Focus on cybersecurity. With the integration of technology in vehicles, there's a growing emphasis on protecting vehicles from cyber threats. Some insurance policies may offer coverage against cyber attacks on vehicle systems. Rise of autonomous vehicles. As self-driving cars become more prevalent, insurance companies are adapting their policies to accommodate the unique risks and responsibilities associated with autonomous vehicles. Environmental concerns. Many insurance companies are promoting eco-friendly driving habits by offering discounts to drivers of electric or hybrid vehicles. Pay-per-mile insurance. This type of insurance charges policyholders based on the number of miles they drive. It's gaining traction as a cost-effective option for drivers who don't use their vehicles frequently. In conclusion, car insurance is an essential aspect of responsible vehicle ownership in the USA. It provides financial protection and peace of mind in case of accidents, theft, or other unexpected events. To find the best car insurance in 2023, take the time to evaluate your needs, compare quotes, and consider the evolving trends in the insurance industry. With the right policy, you can confidently navigate the roads knowing you're covered in times of need. Thanks for watching our videos. Like, share, and subscribe.